Hello everybody and welcome to your favorite ChopChopChef TV channel, live on stage. Today, you and me, we doing a summer salad. Summer salad, very easy. We're doing a tzatziki dressing, which is already actually on the previous clips, right? With baby kos and a few other ingredients. Yeah? We will char grill some corn. Yeah, we're putting this in a bowl, and then our capsicum goes in here as well. We drizzle a little bit oil, going on a barbecue and charcoal it nicely. That's a part of the flavor difference, right? What else goes in our beautiful baby kos salad? Of course, avocado, cucumber, pepitas, and then we garnish it with a little bit smoked salmon. All right, but first thing first, let's do the vegetable on the barbecue. You like to come? Let's go. Okay, our barbecue is fired up, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, here's our green capsicum and our corn. Right, so this one we will probably go, the capsicum will be easy 10 minutes, the corn a little bit longer. The corn don't have to be completely cooked, yeah, but the kernels definitely have to be all charred. So when this is all completed, I show you the ready product, how dark I have it on the barbecue, and then we're going back inside and doing our salad. Okay everybody, let's check out our char grilled corn and green capsicum. I have the lid closed, as you can see. And the corn is popping like the popcorn. All right, so watch out, not that you get any popcorn in your eyes. Oh, look at that, look at that. This is very good. Yes, we have the beautiful, yes, char grilled corn. That's nice. And that's what I want from the capsicum, right? Sort of, again, this little sort of, call it burnt, you know, or nicely charred spots. And we leave this all on. No, we don't take the skin off later on. Yeah, that's what we want. Beautiful. Excellent. Alrighty, let's take it off and we see us inside. Okay, here we are back on the workbench, right? From our charcoal grill outside. Here is our charcoal veg. We have our corn and our capsicum. So what we're doing now is we just, again, cut those things in random sizes. No, yeah, there's no measurement attached to it. And everything will go in a bowl, in that bowl. So, I mean, this is the easy part, right? But now the corn, we just want to cut off obviously the kernels from the core, right? So this gets a little bit all over the place. And then we have to hold it quite firm. And oh, look at this. Oh, this smells so good. I'm really, why you can't smell that? I have no idea, but ladies and gentlemen, oh, this is, oh my God. I could just nibble on that corn. All right, so we have that corn. This goes obviously as well. Even so, the pieces like that, leave them whole as it is. You know, don't break it all off. Yeah, just all goes in the bowl. Cooking is so easy, I tell you. I don't know. Okay, next. Okay, then we have obviously a little bit of our spring onions, yeah, as well. Very easy, easy, easy. When we cut those, not too fine, give them as well sort of a little bit of a chunky size. Okay, this goes in the bowl as well. And then, not sure if you remember what was all on my mise en place before. Then we had as well avocado, right? So here we go, very easy. Avocado, half, turn the avocado, not a knife, right? Keep it a nice and steady. And then, we twist, anti-clockwise one hip, hop, hop. That's so easy, right? We only need half. Again, we're cutting that. Well, first we have to take the skin off. Easy part. Easy part. Schwuppdiwupp. Peeling off itself. Yeah. Zack, zack, zack. And again, we're cutting those how we feel like. And this goes in this bowl. Have a look at this. Ha ha ha. What else? Okay, we got this one, we got this one. In here goes as well mint. Mint. Now mint. As you can see, I picked sort of big leaves here. The mint as well. Don't cut too fine. Leave it in rough pieces. Yeah, you can rip it, or you just cut it roughly as I did. Right? So simple. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have to clean my hands. I'm back in a second. Now we have to do as well cucumber, right? So the cucumber for this salad has actually two jobs. One, we need some ribbons in here, and then I want to show you what I do with the tzatziki. Tzatziki is obviously our salad dressing today. This one is predominantly based on yogurt, cucumber, and mint, right? So now for the cucumber, what we do is, okay, we just cut for the tzatziki. I washed the cucumber before, yes, I can tell you that one already. Now there's two options. I have this beautiful peeler. I just put it on the board so you can see this one, which cuts already julienne for you, right? Sort of little strips, right? So you can do this one, or you have a grater like this, and we take the cucumber and grate. So we left this on the side, and then we can grate a little bit, just some rough cucumbers. And these things, what I want to say with this, is goes now into my raita, in my tzatziki. Yeah, so here we go. This is this one, and as I said, mint is already in there, yogurt, seasoning, a little bit of garlic. Happy days. Okay, tzatziki on the side. Now we need more for this. What we do here? Okay, cucumber. Let's say cucumber, here we go. As I said, nicely washed. Now we need a different peeler. We're making cucumber ribbons. Okay, again, now what I do here is, you can do like this and try to have it, you see? Look, that's with our ribbons, yeah? So easy. Yeah, so easy. Look at this, what's the problem? Cooking is so easy. Okay, so we cut it, we do a few of this. Look at this. Cucumber ribbons. You can do the same with zucchini. You call it then zucchini ribbons. Funny, hey? Okay, now this ribbons, oh yes, they're going in here as well. Look at this, look at this. Okay, now this is this one. Now this whole mixture, obviously we have to season a little bit with cracked pepper. Number one, of course, some salt. Don't forget, this charcoal vegetable has already good flavor. And we're putting lemon in there. One. No seeds, of course. Be mindful of that. Okay, alrighty, so we got this one dressed. Yeah, now we just mix this nicely. Gentle, right? Oh yes, this looks good. But I think my portion went a little bit too big. Doesn't matter. Okay, yes, I cleaned it up a little bit. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, now here it is. Presentation. We have a plate. We have our beautiful tzatziki. I say it again. We have done this one before on our ChopChop channel. So go to the recipes and off we go. So this one, the idea really is to spread it nicely on the outskirts of this, or we make a nice ring. Okay, again, as you can see, not too shy, yeah, with the dressings. Right? And then we have our famous baby kos, which I just cut in three. Yeah, we're taking now the stalk a little bit off, and this one we're placing 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is our base. This is our base, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now what's happening next? We have more to do, right? So now we're having obviously our beautiful mixture here. Yeah. So we're taking now this mixture again, and this one we place nicely on top of here. Oh yes. Nicely, nicely, nicely. Okay. With the ribbons and everything else. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so this is this one. Yeah, maybe a few more ribbons, eh? Why not? Because I made a big drama about these ribbons here. Big show. So here we go. So in this one, remember, we have the corn, we have the grilled capsicum, and what else? Did you forget already? The cos leaves, yeah? And now what's next? Next comes. We continue. We have pepitas. Sprinkle a little bit around and about. Pepitas. Okay. And then, of course, as I said before, we're having our smoked salmon. We just place this as it goes. Yeah, there's nothing attached to it. Bang, bang, bang. Just randomly all over the place. Okay. And yes, we have to make sure it's everything nice and clean. Yeah, so it's beautiful. Okay, okay, okay. Now, a little gimmick of mine. I mean, okay, hold on. We have a little bit cracked pepper, a little bit more. Yes, sort of on the sides. Yeah, very good, over it. That's this. And then when you present this one now to your customers, we have a beautiful lemon spray. This is olive oil and lemon combined. Very nice. So you do this, and then you go to the customer and say, here we go, here's your beautiful salad today, and you give a few perfume spots of lemon olive oil on this salad for your customer and for me to enjoy. Thank you, till next time.